So, it's been a while. So in my last video, I took a look at the original iPad. Hold up, give me a second. Yeah, I took a look at the original iPad, seeing how usable it was without a jailbreak in 2026. If you can see down there, I've jailbroken this thing because the fucking cable finally came. I feel like I should mention this now, but this is actually take 2 of this video. This video was meant to come out like a week ago, and in fact, I already filmed the whole thing, but I didn't like how it turned out, so it just never even went through editing. I just completely forgot about it. But basically, I'll give you a recap. This thing runs iOS 5.1.1, and don't let the wallpaper fool you. This is still running iOS 5. So we basically tested the built-in apps. Some of them did work, like maps, but most of them are kind of useless without a jailbreak. And then we took a look at web apps, and most of them actually worked pretty well, just as long as you're patient with the RAM, because again, this doesn't have a lot of RAM in it. But now that this is jailbroken, we finally get to take this thing to its fullest potential, starting with YouTube. So basically, what I did here, I installed a tweak called Tube Repair, and which basically makes this old YouTube app work again. And I'm actually gonna show you right now. And I use this link so that it redirects to another server that makes the app work again. Right now, I'm gonna test a video. Yeah, the keyboard lags here a little bit. What? Playback error? Oh, don't tell me. Give me a second. Oh, please work. There we go. I just had to reload it, but now it's working. Can I full screen? Yes, I can.
Is this New York City? Is this the only place cartoons are allowed to live from the director who brought you the Smurfs?
Yeah, I'm not gonna play the whole thing, but it does work. This actually works. I mean, expect a few errors here and there, but apart from that, this tweak is actually really good. And speaking of zombie apps, Twitch, not Twitch, Tumblr actually is still surprisingly functional here, albeit only partially. The dashboard here doesn't work, or at least it doesn't show anything, but you can still search for stuff. I'm actually gonna search for stuff myself. I'm gonna search for Petapon because that's the best PSP game. Yeah, this actually works, and it works really well too. Oh wow, that's actually some really good artwork. Full credit to this person for making Peak. World of Goo. I actually played this on the Wii before, so I was very surprised to see that this has a legacy iOS version. OCD, yay! If you haven't played World of Goo, you absolutely should. This game is really good. Yay! What does OCD mean? And of course, it won't be a legacy iOS device without Angry Birds. This is the wrong way. Let me give this a second, hold up. There we go. No. Yeah! 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 Minecraft! Minecraft! There we go. I don't know what you're expecting. It's Minecraft. It does get laggy, which is fair given this thing's hardware limitations. But when it's not loading new chunks, oh god, it's sunset. But I guess when it's not loading new chunks, it's actually pretty smooth. quick detour, Twitter. I actually installed a tweak called Blue Tweety that actually turns this into a blue sky client, as you can see here, because it says B Sky. Yeah, I was already posting here with this tweak. I might as well show you my blue sky feed. Yeah, this works. This works really well. And I can even like go to see your pictures. They don't show up on the feed, but they do show up when I tap on them. Yeah, that's cool. Anyway, we're gonna rotate the device for this because I'm gonna zoom out as well. Where's my water? Have you guys seen it? This title music goes way too hard. They cooked too much with this. That's a good thing though. Who was vocalizing? Okay, stop. Please. I don't care. I just want to play the game. Boom. This game runs really well on here, by the way. I mean, of course, you'd expect that from an old iOS game. Sonic Sega. Oh, no cutscene. Just right into it. Okay. I am so good at this game. Yeah, Sonic CD is actually pretty solid. Might as well try to do a time travel. Yay! Shit. Whoa there. I think that's enough. I could absolutely play this forever and ever, but I'm not going to because I'm filming something. I actually made a shitpost style edit here. I can't upload them to YouTube, so I'm just gonna show you. I hope you're prepared for what you're about to see. Man, I really need to get out more. I did also install a few tweaks to try to get the App Store working again, but they didn't work, and you're gonna see that in just a second. Yeah, I installed StoreFix X or whatever it was called, and Checkmate Store, and Store Login Fix or whatever. I keep forgetting the names, but they didn't seem to work on my end. I don't know why. I also synced my Apple Music library here. Most of these are copyrighted. At least I'm pretty sure this is under Content ID. I'm only gonna play this for like a few seconds. Okay, I think 5 seconds is enough. Yeah, if you want to use it as like a big iPod, you can do that, I guess. That's actually about it, honestly. Just goes to the show what you can really do with these things once you jailbreak them. Just be careful when if you're gonna get an iPad 1 to jailbreak, do yourself a favor, stay away from springboard tweaks. They tend to absolutely fuck up this device the moment you restart. Thankfully, it is easily fixable, but I recommend you just forget about installing springboard tweaks on here. Anyway, bye.